You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character, fictional character from the book Wicked in the movies. Her full name: Elphaba. Elphaba, stress on the first syllable. That's generally how she's referred to, just simply Elphaba. Her last name is Thropp, or in English pronunciation, Thropp. Elphaba Thropp. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.